Cassie, yeah, Rick, she Leonardo, Walt, Genevieve, Black, and Blake, Alda, Britt, and Jim, and Cassie, and my little baby dad, Leonardo, candles. And then the big bad wolf comes, and then you say knock, 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 and genocide. And the big bad wolf comes to Jenna's house, and she says knock, 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 and he says let me in, and then the big bad wolf flowed into her house, and then Krista's house was out of brick. And the big bad wolf comes, and he said, knock, 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 and he blowed her house away. And then Cassie's house was out of brick candles. And the big bad wolf comes, and he blowed her house away. That was a good little song. What can I do now? A, B, C, D to her. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I said my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? That's a good little song. What shall I do now? I don't know. Can I do SpongeBob? You got